Welcome to English Boost TV, where you learn real English through simple conversations. In today's episode, you will learn a powerful morning study routine to help you improve your English every day. Before I start, please like and subscribe the channel. Let's get started.
Good morning, David. I want to improve my English faster, but I don't know how to study every day.
Good morning, Emma. The secret is a simple daily routine, especially in the morning.
Why the morning?
Because your brain is fresh and ready to learn. Step 1. Start with listening. 10 minutes. Start your day with listening.
What should I listen to?
Podcasts, simple conversations, or English videos.
Even if I don't understand everything?
Yes, just focus and listen. Step 2. Learn 5 new words. 5 to 10 minutes. Next, learn 5 new words.
Only 5?
Yes, small steps every day are better.
That feels easy.
Step 3. Speak out loud. 10 minutes. Now, speak out loud.
What should I say?
Repeat what you hear or talk about your day.
I wake up early. I drink coffee.
Perfect. Step 4. Write a short sentence. 5 to 10 minutes. Write 2 to 3 simple sentences.
Like a mini diary.
Exactly. Step 5. Review. 5 minutes. Finally, review what you learned.
So I don't forget.
Yes, review is very important. Let's try a full morning routine together.
First, I listen to English for 10 minutes. Then, I learn 5 new words. Next, I speak out loud. After that, I write simple sentences. Finally, I review everything.
Excellent. That's a perfect routine.
This is simple and not stressful.
Exactly. Consistency is more important than difficulty.
I can do this every morning. From tomorrow, I'll start this routine.
Great! You'll see improvement very soon.
Thank you, David.
Anytime. Great job. Now you have a simple morning routine to improve your English. Practice every day, stay consistent, and enjoy learning. Thanks for listening to English Boost TV. Please subscribe the channel. See you in the next episode.